everyone, and welcome to ASB 211, Women and Other Cultures. This is your instructor, Dr. Andrea Torvinen, and I created this video to give you some basic information about the course. So first and foremost, in this course, we want you to learn about anthropology as an academic discipline. We want you to gain a global and historical perspective. And we're going to do this by conducting a cross-cultural analysis of the economic, political, and religious factors that affect women's status in traditional and modern societies. Now, in saying that, we need to recognize that we're going to discuss some pretty hard topics at times and potentially some difficult ideas that might make you feel a bit uncomfortable, and being uncomfortable is okay. It helps with our growth and learning. If, however, you become too uncomfortable or you're not comfortable talking about a certain topic, please let me know, and we will come up with some kind of alternative. But in general, I want everyone to be respectful and create a space that really allows us to think through and discuss these topics together in a positive environment. There is a required textbook. It's Burn Women Across Cultures, A Global Perspective. Should be available in the bookstore, or you can find it online as an ebook. If you can only find the 3rd edition, you'll probably be fine, but the 4th edition is the one that's listed in your syllabus. There are also going to be some additional readings that I'll post as PDFs in Canvas. The syllabus, it's pretty important, so be sure to read it. One thing you will learn about in the syllabus is that this course is organized by modules. And the modules themselves will contain readings, activities, discussions, lectures and videos, and as well as homework assignments and information about your final project. Now, something to keep in mind is that the final grade for this course is divided into quarters. The first quarter is based on your participation in what would be nearly weekly activities that help you engage with the material. There will also be nearly weekly discussion boards that you're expected to participate in. There will be 3 homework assignments throughout the semester, and these are writing assignments that you will submit through Canvas. And then there is a final project which you will work on with a partner, and there will be more information posted about that very soon. Something I say in all my classes, there's 3 keys to success. Respect being the first one, respect for me, each other, for the material and the cultures that we'll be discussing. Second is communication. I'm a pretty reasonable person, and I understand that this course is not everyone's top priority at all times, and life happens. So if something comes up and you're going to need a little bit of an extension on an assignment, just shoot me a message, let me know what's going on. I don't want the end of the semester to come around, and now I'm hearing about all these difficulties you were having, and now I'm getting an understanding of why you weren't able to complete the assignments on time. So just be in communication with me. And lastly, your effort. I don't expect you to all come out of here as perfect anthropologists. This is an introductory course. I want to see that you are making an effort and trying to engage with the material as best you can. It's important that you keep up with the reading. This is a discussion-based course, so you need to know what we're talking about if that's going to be the case. When it comes to grading and assignments, I don't tolerate cheating of any kind, so in some cases I'll be using the Turnitin software within Canvas to help catch any kind of plagiarism issues. And as I already said, communication is pretty important, so if you have a personal matter you need to discuss with me, then go ahead and send me a message in Canvas. And if you want to chat by video, we can do that through WebEx. We'll set something up. If, however, you have a question about course content or an assignment, then please check or post your question to the questions and comment discussion board. They'll be included in each module. If you see someone else has already posted your question and I've answered it, then you already have your answer. So it helps to smooth things out. So that is it for this introductory video. I would encourage you to now move on to the Getting Started module. And specifically, I would draw your attention to the student survey. This is not an in-person course, obviously, so I won't be seeing you on a weekly basis in the classroom. So there's a Google form that will collect some information about all of you. This is for my eyes only. I'm not going to be sharing this information with anyone else. It's just my chance to get to know you all a little better. And then you also need to register with Flipgrid. We have a group for the course. You need to register using your @maricopa.edu email, and that is very important because that is where your first activity is. So that is all, and I will be communicating with you soon.